All right, folks, Wednesday morning, so cold fall start here in Chicago. Markets are mixed, very quiet overnight session, flatlining across all the major indices. Last night after the close, the big earnings announcements last night were Microsoft and Alphabet, both of which beat expectations, however, having very little impact on the overall markets at this point. Robinhood, the big loser this morning, down 11% in the pre-market. Big miss on earnings, predominantly in a fall off in their crypto trading. Speaking of crypto, Bitcoin back below 60,000 this morning, down about 5% as we head into the open of the equity markets. Jump over to FX. Big mover in FX has been that Aussie dollar. Spike in inflation in Australia. It's got the Aussie dollar moving higher. So we saw that Aussie dollar just north of spot 75 last night, hitting some highs. Come off events since then, seeing a weaker dollar. Broadly, seeing weakness in the dollar this morning. Oil, not much shaken there. Although, as we've talked about, been a lot of action in that oil market lately. A lot of price action to trade. All right, folks, Wednesday we got durable good orders, data coming out here this morning, and then we've got that European Central Bank tomorrow. So let's strap in. Let's trade some price action. Let's have a great hump day. I'll see you folks tomorrow.